Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 6 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on this watch we need to press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen. It takes about, I don't know, maybe 5 or 10 seconds. So keep holding the button. Once it vibrates and it displays the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, you can release the button like this, and then you can wait until the watch is done booting up. As you can see, you're in the system now, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.